All right, welcome to video 3, understanding the chart. All right, this is the most intimidating thing I think for someone who doesn't know how to trade. They get intimidated because they're looking at these lines, don't know what none of this stuff means. So I'm going to simplify and hopefully help you understand it and get the intimidation out of it. Okay, let's start off with the first thing that pops up, right, and which is these little things, this red and green thing going across my board, right? Those are called candlesticks, right? Candlesticks. So, forget the rainbow there. Let's delete that. We're looking at the candlesticks, okay? So, when you see the green candlesticks going up, that means that the market's going up for that period of time. When you see the red candlesticks, that means the market is going down for that period of time. And that's all it really means. Okay, as you can see here, if you go all the way to the right side of the screen, you can see that it's moving, right? That means that the market is actively going up and down. Okay, now to your far right, you see all these numbers there. Okay, I know you probably heard of Dow Jones, S&P, 500, and then the NASDAQ, all that good stuff like that. What I want you to do is, this is the price of the NASDAQ, okay? That's not the price you have to enter those trades. I want you to look at that as if it's a ruler, a gauge to let you know if the price is in an incline or decline. Okay, that's all I want you to look at this, at those numbers as, okay? It is not the amount of money you have to get into the market, okay? Not even close. All right, so now, at the bottom, you see the numbers here. That is just time, all right? From this movement here to that movement, you see it started at 12:17 and to 12:27. Okay, so that's 10 minutes. That's what the market did within 10 minutes, okay? So that's all that you're looking at when you look at the chart, okay? You see that little purple line going through. All that is called a moving average, okay? So the best way to describe it is, this is if you look over a period of time, where that purple line is saying this is where the price average out to be, okay? And as you can see, no matter if it goes above the line or below the line, it always crossed that line of where the average price should be at, okay? So it's also another tool that we use to see if the market is actually going up or the market's primarily going down during that particular time you're looking at the market. Okay, so that's the moving average. Okay, so that's pretty much all that you have to worry about on the chart. Okay, we're going to talk about buying and selling and how you're able to get in position, how much money you have to have. Okay, in a later video, but for the most part, this is all that you really need to know about the chart. Now, different platforms have different tools and all the good stuff like that. So if you like to draw lines and things like that, you got that up there. You could do that. You could draw lines. They got little cool things that you could do. Need to make it bigger. You can just hit the magnifying glass and drag over a period. You see that? How we did that? So, I mean, just everything else you can learn about the platform from wherever the platform provider is. But for the most part, this is really all that you really have to worry about in the chart, okay? I like to use the moving average. It's easy to read. It's not a lot of stuff that goes with it. And then the candlesticks, you know, again, when you see green, it means the market was going up. You see, red, that means the market was going down. And it's really just that simple, okay? So you don't have to be intimidated by the chart, okay? It's very, very, very simple to read a chart, okay? So that's it really for this video. Hopefully that gives you an understanding of what you're looking at when you see a chart. Again, this is not how to trade. This is just understanding the chart that you see in front of you, okay? That's so important to do. So I can't wait to get into the next video where we're going to really get into some really cool content, guys. All right. So thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.